Here we are. Back again.
Welcome back to Cooking with the Snow Dogs. I almost said Arcade Snow Dogs. We are doing another Mitten Crate. This is the Mitten Crate we got in May. So this is the May Mitten Crate. If any of you out there got the May Mitten Crate, this is what came in it. Apparently without a card telling us what everything is.
I don't know, maybe yours got a card. Maybe they just missed ours. We're not sure.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll just have to guess.
Oh!
We'll know what most of this stuff is because it says.
Do you like cinnamon and spice?
It says cinnamon, spice,
you don't like
peanuts,
nuts.
I think.
They're peanuts. They're Greg likes
Oh, I like peanuts. Yeah, Spanish peanuts. These are good.
Oh, this is heavy.
These actually look really good.
There's things and we don't have a card, so we don't know what all they are, but
Well,
So we're just
We
getting,
wanna
which one
try
do you want to
first.
start with?
oh my
I
gosh.
don't know. We got a few things in here.
yeah.
What do you want to start?
Gummies or nuts?
Gummies or nuts?
Oh
Gummies
my
or nuts?
gosh!
Gummies or nuts?
Do the nuts first. So show them what it is.
Ooh.
We've had these in Mitten Crates before. This
Lush
is
nuts.
the Lush Nuts. They're amazing.
They have a wide variety
The
of
cocoa
flavors,
chili
yes.
is my favorite.
I do have to admit, cocoa chili is really good.
The salt and pepper peanuts are really good.
I didn't like them as much. I have a feeling these cinnamon and spice ones are
these
going to
ones
be...
are gonna be really
yeah.
good.
Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready.
I think they're gonna remind
Yep.
me of the almonds.
Uh-huh.
Oh, these are no good.
And they're gone.
Oh my gosh.
I don't
Wow.
even like nuts.
These would be good on vanilla ice cream. Oh man.
Or just in my hand.
Got your
No, I'm going to eat too many of them. That is delicious. That is good. Very good.
Lush Nuts are made in Michigan somewhere. Grand Rapids, it says.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think we've done Lush Nuts before.
At Christmas time, I always order a bunch of these for everybody for Christmas, and I put together my own Mitten Crates. I save a couple boxes and put all the stuff in it.
Now you know these ones are really good. I think they're kind of Christmassy. Cinnamon's a
Okay.
Christmas thing.
So these are pretty cool. This is a heavy bag of gummies, and I love it here. Making people happy with gummy candy flavors from the Great Lakes state.
Yeah! Michigan proud. Hashtag.
Whoa!
Whoa, they're no good. Give these to me.
What? You don't...
Smell them all
I was
over
gonna say-
here before you open them.
Wait.
Okay, we
What
get
flavors
colors
are
in
there?
here.
What
Yeah,
flavors
right?
are there? They're on the front.
Don't take
What?
the
They
green
were on
one.
the
I
front
saw
there.
apple.
Okay,
Okay.
I don't want a green one.
Cherry, blue raspberry, apple, grape, strawberry, watermelon, pick a poison.
Give me anything but green.
Anything but green?
Can I have an upper and a lower peninsula? I don't want that one.
Tell me if it...
You gotta show
Let's
them
see.
up close.
There's a lot
the
of
upper. Wait till you get an upper peninsula. There you go. Give them a watermelon one. Oh, there's a red one. There, it's Christmassy. Show them the upper and lower peninsula.
Here, and then you have a
candies.
water state. Oh, is that
Oh, look
the
at that.
same green?
Look out.
No,
I
that's...
got blue raspberry and watermelon.
I'm gonna hold them this way.
There you go.
And you got...
Focus. Focus. Oh, look at the Michigan.
So that is pretty cool. Alright. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna go with the green one. You just did the green one?
I did a blue raspberry.
Mmm, very chilly.
There's the apple.
There's soft. Oh, yeah.
Is it green apple?
No. Yeah,
Or is
it's a
it
green
just-
apple.
Is that?
It's like a granny...
Which one is this one? Cherry.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. It's a very appley apple.
Oh hi,
It's not a
Shelby.
sour apple,
No.
but
I
it's
think
not a
a
red apple. It's definitely a green apple.
Like a gummy.
Wow. And they're really soft and
The
they're
cherry
the,
one's really good too.
and the perfect chewiness.
Oh,
They
oh my
do
gosh.
really good.
I was trying to get some for the dogs. Here, I'll eat this purple one.
Okay.
We get one gummy.
That's definitely cherry.
One
I'm
gummy.
gonna try that
Wow.
watermelon one.
Okay. These are really good.
He's the one.
Watermelon?
Those are really
Yeah, I
good.
want to
Did
try
you
that.
try the watermelon? That was good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
And
I'm
the
gonna do
red,
it. I'm gonna try the grape.
the grape's actually good and I don't like grape.
Oh yeah? Is it a real...
Jolly Rancher taste.
Oh, it's like a real watermelon.
Mm-hmm. Those are pretty good. This assortment of gummies are as sweet as Sleeping Bear Dunes Vacation. Our candy can't make winters warmer, but if you're looking for a taste of summer up north, we've got you covered. Bring home the
Sleeping
taste
Bear
of
Dunes?
Michigan, Mitten lovers.
It's over here.
That's what does it say? Shroom. It's not shrooms. How do you
Oh,
say
I
it?
know.
Sherms.
Sherms. Sherm's is a family-owned company proudly based in Michigan.
You have gummy.
We like things, especially candy, that make us happy. That's why we're sharing the flavors of the Great Lakes State's world famous. Oh, it's because the flavors are all because you can grow all these things in Michigan.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. Wait, was there
cherries,
raspberry?
Cherries, raspberries, apples, grapes, strawberries, and watermelon. But there's not. Oh, yeah, there is
blue
cherries.
Raspberry, and that is a thing here. But I would like to see
raspberries aren't a thing.
Berry.
It says raspberries, not blue raspberries on the back. She already had some. Don't give her any more.
I was looking, the serving size is 8 pieces, and I've only had 3.
Oh, really good.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I think those are going to be my favorite thing in the box.
Lemon blueberry
cookie.
So
lemon blueberry.
Let me see. So this is the Waffle Cookie, Feeding Detroit, lemon blueberry.
What?
We don't know anything else
Shaped
about
like
it.
a waffle. Show the backside so you can see. Look, it's a waffle.
Yeah,
It's like a cutout of a waffle.
that makes me want to make waffle dog
I know.
treats.
I want waffle dog treats. That's
Yeah.
a great idea.
Right?
I mean, I would rather have waffles, but
So did they just put cookie dough in a waffle iron?
I don't know.
yeah, probably.
Hi.
Why not?
Like,
It didn't open the way I
No,
thought
they
it
had a
would.
cookie cutter. You got scissors. Then this is like, I can get it.
Is it,
Alright.
is it a cookie or is it...
It feels like it's a cookie.
All right, break it up.
Okay.
It's
Oh,
definitely
it is
a
a
cookie.
cookie.
All right, so you eat half and we'll share half. Oh gosh.
I don't want a whole half.
Okay.
Here,
Take some pieces.
here, take some.
It looks
It's
like a
lemon.
chocolate.
Oh, it smells
Lemon
really good.
blueberry.
It's lemon blueberry.
All right.
It's a really good cookie.
So it's not like...
It's like a muffin.
It's like a muffin. Yeah, I was going to say, it's not like
Wow.
a cookie. It tastes like something else. It tastes like a muffin.
But it's
Yeah.
got a lot of this,
But with the crunchy outside.
yeah, the edge. So it's like a really crunchy.
That's really good.
Yeah, that's really good.
Lemon.
I'll have to figure out
blueberry.
where they came from.
It's like if you merged a lemon poppy muffin and a blueberry.
And
muffin.
that's I was
And
just
smashed it in your
gonna
waffle
say
iron.
this needs poppy seeds now.
Do you want us to
Or
do the
syrup.
waffle iron challenge, you guys? Comment below. I bet these guys will do the waffle iron
If we
challenge.
make cookies,
Make cookies in a waffle iron.
No,
Mm.
you just put things in a waffle iron and see if you can.
like let's make a Bloody Mary in a waffle iron.
No, you can take tater tots and put them in the waffle iron and see if you can make a waffle iron tater tot.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can I put like keys in one and hopefully make a car?
we could try, but it's a cooking show, so
Oh, okay. So I should put food into it and get more food out.
yeah.
Okay.
Like I saw.
I don't think I can.
I
eat all
saw
this.
somebody, maybe it was Joey Graceffa. He did a Fruity Pebbles waffle, and he made like waffle stuff, and then he poured Fruity Pebbles. He put the waffle stuff on, but then he like poured Fruity Pebbles on, and then smashed it all together. But he said it was amazing. Why wouldn't that be good? It would just be
Yeah.
like
I
a
don't
Fruity
like
Pebbles.
Fruity Pebbles anymore.
Oh, so that won't be good for Greg.
All right, I'll eat the cookie.
So this,
Apparently,
This-
cookie was good.
I had to
Since you
look
said
up.
Bloody Mary.
I had to look this up because we didn't know what it was. It's from
It's
Delicious.
delicious. That's what it is.
apparently.
Yeah. So
Put a straw on the top.
yeah, it's Bloody Mary mix. So
So we're gonna make some virgin Bloody Marys.
that's what we're gonna do.
That wasn't. No, that's not a recipe.
Because Bloody Marys you're supposed to mix with what? Gin or vodka? Gin or vodka usually is what people mix it with. But we're just gonna try the stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, Greg made a mess.
And you stick a piece of celery in it and a couple shots of Red Hot.
Get-
Frank's Red Hot.
You can't have tomato juice because I don't know what's in it. There's
No
no
pepper.
list.
Yeah, there's no list. We don't know what's in this. It's
listing
kind of
in
scary.
there. Okay.
Yeah. No ingredients.
So-
there.
Just
I'm gonna
some-
pour this over here.
Looks like it's been double labeled.
No, it's just a sticker.
You want more than that in there?
There you go. You got celery in yours
This
too.
is how companies are born. I mean, you take an idea and you make a product, and you do it any way
more than that?
possible, and that's Michigan
That's-
proud right there. What? I get you.
want
Ooh,
more
it
than
smells
celery
like.
too. You drowned in my celery.
It smells
man.
like. Oh, I forgot. Bloody Marys have like vinegar and
Do they?
yeah,
And dog hair.
and dog hair. And Jamie's like, I'm drinking it. Notice Jamie's cup doesn't match. I don't think yours is a virgin Bloody Mary.
That's weird. It's like spicy.
It's supposed to be a little spicy.
Oh man.
It's got that after spice. Okay, the after spice is pretty good.
Uh huh.
There's something else though that's just
There's pepper in it.
off
Yeah.
about it. I don't know what it is.
There's vinegar in it.
That's probably it.
There's quite a bit. There's usually vinegar in Bloody Marys.
I didn't expect
You
this.
just take a cheap way is just take a can of V8.
That's
Mix
a
it with
cheap way to
vodka.
make a Bloody Mary. Yep, V8
Add
and
some
vodka.
Frank's Red Hot sauce, like I said. Piece of celery.
Do you want to try a virgin one?
I would like to, because this is
Because Jamie's isn't a virgin one.
no.
Jamie's has something in it. I don't know what it is.
Yep.
Some white liquor. What did you put in it?
Oh, we'll say vodka.
I don't know what it was.
I don't think it was vodka.
That
I really like it. But I like Bloody Marys. Like even with alcohol, I do like Bloody Marys. My grandma, before my grandma and grandpa passed away, my grandma used to make me Bloody Marys. And they were always so good. And I don't know what she did different, but they were always amazing.
Wait. Non-alcoholic Bloody Marys, right?
No, my grandma.
Made you
Yeah.
Bloody Marys?
The first time I had one, grandma made me one.
Wait, how old were you?
I was over 21.
Okay. Okay. I was wondering, I'm like,
was over 21.
Were you still in diapers or what? Grandma's like,
She'll help you
She's
sleep.
teething. Give her a Bloody Mary.
She's all like, I love Bloody Mary.
Baby sleeps every time she comes over.
Yeah, I like this.
We got one more thing though.
It would be good with Grey Goose, though.
Yeah.
It would be.
Yeah.
We got one more thing. Why did we save the Nakey butter for last?
I don't know because it was the smallest thing in the box. So I
We
grabbed
remember to
it
do
last.
the thing where you like
Oh,
mix it
yeah,
in the
mix it up or
packet.
else it'll be
I
weird.
didn't open it yet, did I?
So,
Well, you'll find out.
Yeah, I
That's
guess.
all right.
so this is the Nakey butter. It's like this when
great
you're
on
on a
toast.
trail and you need an extra thing. I don't know why you wouldn't just eat peanut butter. I'm not a huge fan of the Nakey butter.
I'm not a huge fan of it either.
It's like cacao and
Yeah,
it's like a protein supplement.
Yeah. Yeah.
it's like
It's the naked
peanut
truth.
butter mixed with protein mix or
Yeah,
something.
it's weird.
If
Just
you're,
put it on a cracker.
yeah,
I don't know where
if
they
you're a
went.
vet, it'd be like what? The Nutra butter?
Nutravite.
Nutravite, yep. For dogs. Cracker, there you go.
Yeah, that might make it better. We've always just like tried it.
Yeah.
We're gonna like.
Because I think it's meant for hiking and when you're exerting a lot of energy and you need
Why are
that
you putting that much on?
that boost of energy.
Here you go.
Just peel it open and drink it.
Peanut butter and chocolate.
We'll let you try it first.
I don't know.
I don't want a
That's
lot.
nice.
Yeah, oh, that's
That-
good. That's all I want.
That's really good.
Is it better on a cracker?
It's just pretty,
I actually like this stuff, so
I don't like
the
it.
other stuff was, I don't know.
it's just
That one's actually pretty good.
it's peanut butter, so it
It's just
sticks to
peanut
my
butter.
mouth and
It's
high
not peanut butter
protein.
for you. It's got cocoa in it.
Yep.
Yeah,
Not for doggy.
cocoa and peanut butter, cacao
Wow.
and peanut butter.
That's good. I actually like
It
that
was
one.
pretty good. I liked it better like that.
Hmm.
So, what was your favorite thing in a box?
Man. The gummies? You think they were that good?
I'm just
That was yours?
Woo!
I don't know.
not this.
We demolished that
the
cookie.
So, I'm actually going to have to pick the cookie.
Why is there so many apple? Look at this.
I saw
Look
that.
at all
They're
the
All out, I'll
green.
take the apple ones when I leave. Just put them in this bag and I'll take them.
They smell. They smell really
I have to
good.
try these again because honestly, my favorite might be the nuts.
Man, yeah, it
What?
could be too, man. That's a hard one.
Try these cinnamon nuts; they're really good.
I've had those before. I ordered them for Christmas.
No, it's a Bloody Mary.
No, not the Bloody Mary. I don't like Bloody Marys apparently.
I
These
really
were
like
good.
tomato juice though.
But
I
I think
like
I
the
was
tomato
just
juice
craving
too. I like
peanuts
Bloody
lately.
Marys,
and-
but no.
yeah,
I'm going with the gummies.
Alright, I'm doing cookie.
Cookie.
I'm gonna go with the nuts.
We all picked something different
did.
this time. That's
Huh?
funny. All right, you
Must have been a
guys.
pretty good box.
Well, you don't have to live in Michigan to have a taste of Michigan. There is a link for where to get your own Mitten Crate and some coupon codes down in the video description below if you want to get your own. Let us know if you want us to keep doing these. I want to do a thing eventually where we like actually go to some places in Michigan.
We talked to a few companies and we are more than welcome to stop by their facility. I don't know if to video or not, but we were more than welcome to stop by and get a tour. But
Like Mitten Crate has a store,
right, but
and I would love to go there.
is it in? Is it
Where is
in?
it?
It's in
gotta be in Michigan, right?
Holland. Is it in Holland?
We
I don't
could
remember.
Go during the
Seems like all of them are down.
The Tulip Festival is going on
Down
right
here.
now.
Oh, then never mind. We're not running to the Tulip Festival.
Yeah, the Tulip Festival is right now.
I was gonna say I know it's coming up soon.
Yeah. So,
That was a good box.
yeah. That was a good box.
Oh, I know. We could go during. I think it's either Festival of the Grand or the other one in Grand Rapids where they have the food stuff downtown.
Yeah, I'll have to figure. That would be fun. That would be
the
fun
one
for
event
this channel
when
too.
I lived in Grand Rapids. That was the one event I liked because there's like all these different food booths from different.
Right.
That might be
Try
fun.
out. Yep. Try all these different
might do
foods.
So then we could jump over to Holland and stop here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll have to find out if that's where it is, because I think that's where it is. Anyway, that's all we have for you guys. If you're new to this channel and you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to help us grow the audience. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, stay positive, dream big, and we'll see you again soon. Was it better the second time around?
Not tequila.
Not tequila. Try it here. You can have mine without any stuff in it.
It was all right, but I
like it at all.
I think I'm okay. I'll stick with the VA.
Bye.